Hello students, welcome you all to Sagar College. So last class रे आम स्टार्ट करूँ गोटे बटनी नुआ चैप्टर molecular basis of inheritance. Which molecule will form the basis of transmission of characters from your parents to your offspring? That molecule is none other than it is DNA, the secret of our life. Now we try to unfold the structure of a DNA. गोटे डीएनए भितर केमती अच्छी कौन अच्छी तार कंपोनेंट्स कौन स्ट्रक्चर कौन ये सब पार्ट्स आम डिस्कस करवा. सो डीएनए इज ए पॉलीमर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स और इट इज ए पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज ए न्यूक्लियोटाइड? न्यूक्लियोटाइड इज द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ डीएनए or the basic unit of any nucleic acids, that is nucleotide. And in each nucleotide there are how many components? 3 components: the nitrogen base, the pentose sugar, as well as the phosphoric acid. Okay, so in the nitrogen base we have studied about the purines in last class. Nitrogen base are what? These are the cyclic compounds containing nitrogen atom, and the lone pair of electron present over that nitrogen atom is ready for donation. And according to G. N. Lewis, the compound that will donate lone pair of electron is called as a base. Hence, this is called as nitrogen base. Nitrogen bases are classified into 2 types, that may be purines, that may be pyrimidines. So, purine parts we have completed. Purine it is a double ring compound, 9-membered compound. Nitrogen atoms are present at 1, 3, 7th and 9th positions. So today's goal, as you class number objective kano, learning objective, that is the pyrimidines, and the next component that is your pentose sugar. Okay, so come to the pyrimidine base. Pyrimidine, nitrogen base. Purine base is clear. Then come to pyrimidine. The nitrogen base, which is pyrimidine. Pyrimidines are what? These are single ring compound, 6-membered compound. Okay, these are single ring structure. 6-membered compound. तो आर ट्रिक टा आम केमती मन रखा कौटी कौ एटम अच्छी ट्रिक लिखिपर आम NCN CCC. प्यूरिन NCN टा पुणी लास्ट आउथर आसी था NCN CCC NCN प्यूरिन्स लास्ट CCC काटिदेले लास्ट NCN काटिदेले कौन हो pyrimidines. ताको जो नंबरिंग करवा आम 1 2 3 4 5 6-membered compound. नाइट्रोजन एटम को जगह रही फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड पोजीशन. नाइट्रोजन एटम at which position? First position, and the third position of the ring. This is pyrimidine. Is it clear? So now I will make the mother ring structure. Mother ring structure रे जदि आमे substitution करेवा, then we will get the substituted purines. ता भितर आमे पाइबा कोन? Thymine, cytosine and uracils. So examples of pyrimidine base, that is thymine base. Thymine को आमे लिखिबा कोन? T. Cytosine. Cytosine is the C, and your uracil. Uracil is C. There are 3 pyrimidine bases. Out of these 3 pyrimidine bases, the thymine base T, it is present in the DNA only. Uracil, it is present in the nucleic acid RNA, ribonucleic acid only. Cytosine is common for both, it is present in DNA as well as it is present in the RNA. Clear? So first come to the mother ring structure. First of all, I will make the mother ring for you. What is mother ring structure? Let me tell you. Mother ring structure, pyrimidine mother ring. It is a 6-membered compound, heterocyclic compound. This is the pyrimidine, 6-membered. Where these nitrogen atoms are present? First position, third position. Nomenclature kariba 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the mother ring, pyrimidine mother ring. Now I will make a substitution. See the substitution. There are 3 substitutions. For example, ring bane dava. This is a ring. This is another ring. And this is a ring. 3 rings are there. Thymine, cytosine and uracil. Okay, fine. Now in this structure, double bond O, oxo, oxo and oxo. Now come to the structure part, double bond, double bond, double bond. Here one NH2 group is there. So here it is double bond. And in this structure, one methyl group is added. This is 3 substituted pyrimidines. Now these are your substituted pyrimidines. Nitrogen atom ko put kariba. Because these are my nitrogen based. So definitely it will contain the nitrogen atom at the first and the third position. Try to assign the number 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is clear. So these are my substituted pyrimidines. It is kona substituted pyrimidine. Clear? This is the mother pyrimidine, mother ring. This structure is my pyrimidine and this is my mother ring structure. तो आपको हमें substitution कलो ये तीनटा structure पाई गलो. देखिए बा, this is my uracil. This structure is my uracil structure. This is my thymine structure. This is my cytosine structure. Three structures are there. What could be the name? Saku jodi ame nomenclature kariba. Dekho, second position na gote oxo group achi, fourth position na gote oxo group achi. Tale er nanda kone jibo, uracil nanda kone jibo. 2, 4 dioxo pyrimidine abo. 2, 4 dioxo pyrimidine is the uracil. So ये जो uracil और thymine को तमें compare करियो, structural difference कौन अच्छी? यदि मुझे methyl group टा को close कर देवी, then you will compare the structure. Methyl is absent, so these two structure will be same. So only difference is at the 5th position one methyl group is there. ताले आपको कोई पारी भी कि 5 methyl uracil. Thymine is called as what? 5 methyl uracil. 5 methyl uracil. No problem. By एमती करी परिबे 2 amino, then 4 oxo, 5 methyl pyrimidine. नहीं, I am sorry guys. 2 and 4 dideoxo नहीं 2 4 dioxo, 5 methyl pyrimidine. कही हम ये आउट भी ना अच्छी अच्छा थायमिन कोड लिखा थायमिन एट लिखिपर आम थायमिन द साइंटिफिक नेम इज 2 for dioxo 5 methyl pyrimidine no problem at all हम साइटोसिन को आम कौन कहीपर साइटोसिन को देखा आम 2 for amino तो आमिन ग्रुप टाक आगे लिखा पड़ो जगह हम ओके फॉर amino 2-oxo pyrimidine this is the cytosine स्ट्रक्चर टा बारंबार प्रैक्टिस करिया पड़ो टिके गोटे दुई थर वर्कआउट कर दिए कॉपी रे मन रही जीवो वेरी सिंपल इजी वे टू ड्रॉ यू जस्ट रिमेंबर NCNCCC द फॉर्मूला टा खाली मन रखिया पड़ो NCNCCC ठीक NCNCCC is the basic trick to remember to draw the diagram of pyrimidine bases. Cytosine is in front of you, thymine is in front of you, and uracil is in front of you. These are your nitrogen bases and these are pyrimidines. Pyrimidines remti tame man rakhi paribo dekho एटी Y अछि pyrimidine ने cytosine ने भी Y अछि thymine ने भी Y अछि uracil is exception it is present in the RNA part clear so the first component is ready nitrogen base is ready over this nitrogen atom lone pairs are present these lone pair are ready for donation so these three compounds cytosine thymine and uracil will act as a base and which base it is a kind of Lewis base okay then come to my second component is a pentose sugar second component of the nucleotide second component is pentose sugar pentose sugar को C5 sugar भी कहा जाए why this is called as pentose so penta means 5 pentagon you have studied pentane you have studied penta means 5 os जोटे थी suffix OAC os means that represents it is a sugar glucose fructose maltose lactose raffinose galactose cellulose any os ending with OSE that indicates it the sugar so as the name is pentose pentose means it is a sugar containing 5 carbon atom clear so it is a monosaccharides it is a carbohydrate containing 5 carbon atom hence the name is pentose sugar so I am writing this information for you this is a sugar or carbohydrate monosaccharides only one sugar unit monosaccharide containing 5 carbon atom and it is the aldose form aldose form माने कौन रे the functional group टेटी कौन थी वो FG aldehyde the functional group is aldehyde aldose sugar बाता कुड़ा aldopentose कोई परियो and this is in the ring form aldopentose and this pentose sugar that is in the ring form टा pentose sugar रे को फॉर्म रे थाई रे बाबा furanose form furanose माने कोन this is furan This is furan. So any structure resembling this furan is furanose. Furan type. Furanose means it is furan type. Is it clear? Furan type. Furanose means furan type containing. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5C. But ଏଇଠି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ଏ ସୁଗାରର କେମିତି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚରଟା ହେବ କ୍ଲିୟର କମ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ପେଣ୍ଟୋଜ ସୁଗାର ପେଣ୍ଟୋଜ ସୁଗାରକୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ପେଣ୍ଟୋଜ ସୁଗାର ଇଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଟୁ ଟାଇପ୍ସ ପେଣ୍ଟୋଜ ସୁଗାର ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହେବ two types of pentose sugar present in the nucleotide. It may be your ribose sugar or it may be a kind of deoxyribose, ribose or deoxyribose. Two types of sugar present. Deoxy, it is plain ribose. Deoxy means without oxygen. So good sugar general formula है CnH2nON. As it is a pentose sugar, you will put 5 at places of N. Sugar general formula कौन? Sugar को जो दिया मैं लिखूँ चे CnH2nON. So pentose sugar C5. C5H10 O5 N जगह हमें 5 पके देले पेंटोज ही सो पेंटोज सुगर जदि राइबोज हुए तार फार्मूला कौन हो C5H10O5 deoxy means one oxygen is absent at the second carbon atom. Here it is C5H10 and O4. See, one oxygen is deficient. Good oxygen are a short अच्छे से इतनी पॉइंट तक deoxyribose sugar बोलिए हमें कुछ. But carbon atom is fixed. 5 carbon atom here, 5 carbon atom here. Hence this is pentose. So these pentose hexose are based on the number of carbon atom, not on the base of oxygen atom. एटा बहुत पिलांक माइंड रे कंफ्यूजन था कि सर तो एठी तो 4टा ऑक्सीजन जेटा पेंटोज सुगर केमती हबो. So pentose sugar is not based on the number of oxygen atom, it is based on number of carbon atom. Carbon atom हमें देखिए 5 carbon atom is 5, so both are pentose. Only problem one oxygen is short. So it is deoxyribose, deoxypentose. अच्छा structure देखिए ribose रो structure हमें करीबा C5H10O4. This is OH, H, H, OH, H, OH, H, CH2OH. अच्छा गोटे कथा ये आम ध्यान देवा पे जिते बेले आम नाइट्रोजन बेस नंबरिंग करूले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 जहाँ भी करूले बट सुगार को जो आम नेमिंग करवा 8 इन न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स स्पेशली 1 2 3 आम आदे पारिबा नहीं कौन पाई 1 2 3 टा आम नाइट्रोजन बेस को दे दी बुझिपार कि नहीं तो सही संख्याटा सही नंबरटा या दे हम ना बिकज से फिक्स हो गला नाइट्रोजन बेस पे सो नाइट्रोजन बेस को भी सुगार लगे दी जनकर जब 1 2 3 4 5 मुदेवी फास्ट कार्बन आइटम कन्फ्यूज हो नाइट्रोजन बेस ना से कार सुगार से जेहेतु आम नाइट्रोजन बेस नेमिंग कला बेले 1 2 3 4 5 दे देचु सुगार बेस कला बेले मन रख 1 2 3 4 5 दे पार ना टू एवॉइड द कन्फ्यूजन तो कौन दबा 1 2 तो दिया जीव निश्चित भाव में 1 2 लेट मी चेंज द कलर फॉर यू 1 2 3 4 and 5 कार्बन आइटम डिस्टिंग्विश करिया पाई नाइट्रोजन बेस रो अलगा करिया पाई आ गोटे किछि चेंजेस दरकार ताकू मु डैश पका देली 1 डैश 2 डैश 3 डैश 4 डैश एंड 5 डैश Clear? This is the ribose sugar. Deoxyribose ର structure ଟା କାଟିବା oxygen OH H H H OH H CH2H नेमिंग करो 1 2 3 4 and 5 dash 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 and dash. Very clear? 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash and 5 dash. This is now the next topic is second carbon atom अछि यार गोटे oxygen नाही जोटी कि ribose रे गोटे oxygen अछि. So one oxygen is deficient deoxyribose. Oxygen अछि so it is ribose. But ये जो sugar ର form टा मु काटी थी furanose form टा एटा कोन गोटे beta form. This is also beta form, this is also beta sugar, beta form. अल्फा बीटा these are anomers. अल्फा फॉर्म अछि सुगर जते बेले रिंग फॉर्म आमे काटुचु तार गोटे अल्फा फॉर्म अछि गोटे बीटा फॉर्म अछि. सो अल्फा बीटा केमति करा हिछि एक नंबर कार्बन एटम हिसाब रे बना हिछि. यदि एक नंबर कार्बन एटम टाको कोनती anomeric कार्बन हैला. The first carbon atom here in this case it is anomeric. So anomer exact meaning टा कोन जो कार्बन एटम को गोटे अल्कोहल ग्रुप डायरेक्टली जोड़ी थिबो and one ether group is connected directly, these carbon atoms are called as anomeric carbon. So anomeric carbon is the first carbon atom but not always. Most of the cases it is the first carbon atom, but if you fructose को देखिबो it is the second carbon atom. So anomeric जिनसटा कोन एटम टिके लिखि दउची. These are the parts of the organic chemistry. Anomeric carbon का को हमें कहबा. Anomeric carbon atom. Remember the carbon atom to which the alcohol group and the ether group is attached directly. Clear? So जो कार्बन एटम को गोटे देखो एटी देखो ई कार्बन को देखो गोटे अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप लागि छै OH ग्रुप एटा गोटे ether group. Here alcohol and ether groups. So the carbon atom, if it is connected to the alcohol group as well as it is connected to the ether group directly, then these carbon atoms are called as anomeric carbon atom. So anomeric carbon atom ro side re jodi group change hela, then these are called as anomers. So alpha and beta are the anomers. Beta re kon heitbo hydroxyl group ta above the plane thibo. Jodi OH group ta it thanda hydrogen jagar thanda below the plane, that is the alpha form. Remember, these are the beta sugar. In beta form re kon habo beta form, the OH group is above, alpha form OH group is below. बस एति जिनस मन रखी जे काम होई जेबो. यदि OH टा ऊपर रहिला बीटा तळे रहिला अल्फा, अल्फा and beta are ready. So my these ribose and deoxyribose I am drawing the beta form only. This is beta ribose. Here beta 2 dash deoxy ribose. This is beta form, no doubt. But at the second carbon atom, the 2 dash. Would oxygen the shortage. 2 number carbon atom पाखरे देखो 1 oxygen is short here, deficient here. But ये ribose को जो हमें देखिए oxygen is available, present. तो सेटा वाला ribose, सेटा वाला deoxyribose. तो second component is ready. Sugar part is clear. देखो ध्यान से देखो. This is ribose, this is deoxyribose. Deoxyribose रे कौन होची second carbon atom रे one oxygen is short, one oxygen is deficient, hence it is beta 2 dash deoxyribose. कौन पाई रे beta sugar का basically use हुए in the nucleic acids, not the alpha sugar. Beta form is more stable than the alpha form. In between the alpha and beta monomers, whose form is more stable, that is beta form. कौन भाई why the beta is more stable than alpha? देखो beta form में देखो deoxyribose stable. OH group गुटे ऐठी अच्छी, गुटे तौले अच्छी, गुटे ऊपर अच्छी. So these nucleophilic groups, OH groups are the bulky groups, hydroxyl groups are far away from each other. So ऊपर गुटे OH, तौले गुटे OH, पुनी ऊपर गुटे OH. So these are separated from each other. जदि बल्कि ग्रुप्स गुड़ाक सेपरेट की रहिले आउ फ्रॉम इच अदर दूर दूर जदि रहिले ताहले तांको भितर रिपल्सन टा कम हो रिपल्सन जदि कम हैला स्टेबिलिटी इज मोर छोट छोट बेंच अछि सब 2 फुट रो बेंच जदि दुईटा दुईटा मोटा मोटा छुआ मान को हमें बसे दबा सीता को जाकुतो जागा होनु तो रिपल्सन होतु तो समान कंफर्टेबली बसी परिबे कि नाही सेथिपाई कौन करा हुए बल्कि ग्रुप्स को यदि सेपरेशन कर दिया जाए फार अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर दे मिनिमाइज द रिपल्शन वंस रिपल्शन इज मिनिमाइज्ड देन द स्टेबिलिटी इज मैक्सिमम अल्फा रे कोन एटा तळे रहितला अल्फा इथंदा मन कर एटी गुडे OH थांदा एटी OH अछि एटी OH अछि रिपल्शन इथंदा बाइट की पळी आस एटी OH अछि एटी OH अछि एटी सब OH गुटे जगह रे माने रिपल्शन मैक्सिमम लेस स्टेबल बुझ पड़छ कि नहीं जदि ये दुटा भितर में हमें कंपेयर करिबा राइबोज डिऑक्सीराइबोज व्हिच वन इज मोर स्टेबल डिऑक्सीराइबोज इज मोर स्टेबल एट तक पाखा पाखी अछन रिपल्सन होउथबो टिके टिके एटी नाहंती दूर दूर रे अछन इट इज लेस रिपल्सन मोर स्टेबिलिटी जदि हमें कंपेयर करिबा अल्फा बीटा भितर बीटा इज मोर स्टेबल देन अल्फा पुनी बीटा भितर जदि कंपेयर करिबा डिऑक्सीराइबोज वर्सेस राइबोज देन व्हिच वन इज मोर स्टेबल डिऑक्सीराइबोज. If this deoxyribose is more stable, then DNA is more stable or RNA is more stable? Definitely your answer goes to the DNA is more stable than RNA. So RNA molecule is less stable than the DNA. Why? Here the bulky groups are separated from each other, minimizing repulsion, maximizing stability. Here bulky groups are here. So repulsion is there, but stability is less. Okay. Next part. Third component. The third component is phosphoric acid. देखिवा थर्ड कंपोनेंट को नोट करिवा थर्ड कंपोनेंट दिस इज योर phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid रो फॉर्मूला कौन रे H3PO4. This is phosphoric acid. The third component of a nucleotide is the phosphoric acid. And if we draw the structure of a phosphoric acid, what is the diagram? Phosphoric acid PO, OH, OH, and this is OH. Phosphoric acid. Very simple. How many replaceable hydrogen atoms are present here? 1, 2 and 3. These 3 H plus can be easily released or dissociated from the phosphoric acid. And according to Arrhenius acid base concept, the substance that will release the H plus ion in aqueous solution is called as acid. So phosphoric acid is acid because it donates 3 H plus ion, 3 proton. So acids are proton donor in the aqueous condition, in the aqueous medium, in water. So this is phosphoric acid. So it can donate 3 protons. So basicity is 3. It is a tribasic acid. Basicity is 3 because it can donate 3 H plus ion. Equation भी तमें समझते पड़ी थी वो H3PO4 when it is dissociated 3 H plus ions are released and PO for 3 minus is produced. This is the equation. So this phosphoric acid can donate how many H plus 3 protons? Basicity is 3. It can donate 3 protons, 3 H plus ions. Clear? And due to presence of this phosphoric acid, the nucleic acids are acidic in nature. DNA is acidic, RNA is acidic. What makes it acidic? कौन ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ନ୍ୟୁକ୍ଲିକ୍ ଏସିଡ୍ acidic ହୁଏ? So due to presence of phosphoric acid, nucleic acid is an acid. तो एटा गोटे एसिड. So components are ready. देखिबा phosphoric acid जदि H plus loss कराए ताल तार resulting structure टा कौन अब in the aqueous condition P O minus plus 3H plus. This is the equation. So that what is your phosphate? This is what your phosphate group, and this structure is your phosphoric acid. This structure is a phosphoric acid and the anion that is the phosphate ion. This is clear? Now components are ready. Okay. Now we will see the assemblage of the components. The components will join with each other. The nitrogen base, the sugar and the phosphates are connected with each other to make the nucleotides. Okay, to make the nucleotides. केमती nucleotide formation होगा देखिए assemblage of the components. Assemble करे दबावे. Assemblage of components को यदि हम assemble करिबा to form what? Nucleotide. Clear? ताले कौन component लागिवो? Sugar is connected with nitrogen base connected with phosphate. Okay, phosphate, sugar and base. This is what a nucleotide. Now these two components, sugar and base, these two component is called as what? Nucleoside. So nucleoside plus phosphate, this is called as your nucleotide. Clear है पहला? पहले तीनटा levels अच्छे, nitrogen base, then sugar, then phosphate. तो को हमें जो दिमिते कोटे ladder type रे represent करिबा. This is nitrogen base added with sugar, nucleoside is formed, added with phosphoric acid, nucleotide is formed. Okay. So ये गोटे step है गला आपनकर. This is one step. This is the second step. And this is my third step. These are the steps. See, third steps are there. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. So step 1 में कौन थिला? This is nitrogen base. एटी गुटे एडाला पेंटोज सुगर, एटी गुटे एडाला phosphoric acid. तो एटा कौन हबो? Step 1 nitrogen base. नहीं, let me change the color. Color change करिवा better लागिवो. Step 1 is the nitrogen base. एटी कौन एची रास्ता रे एड एची कौन एटी गुटे पेंटोज सुगर. सेकंड स्टेप टाइप कौन है गला दाले न्यूक्लियोसाइड पुणी ये गोटे कौन एड रास्तार देखा फस्फरिक एसिड H3PO4 बा फस्फरिक एसिड तब नेक्स्ट कंपोनेंट कौन पाई जावा न्यूक्लियोटाइड न्यूक्लियोटाइड रो जदि पॉलीमर हो जाए देन द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द न्यूक्लिक एसिड सो गोटे स्टेप जदि हम ऐड करि परिबा विल मेक द न्यूक्लिक एसिड हियर nucleotide polymer then the structure becomes nucleic acid. See the level of organization here. Nitrogen base combines with pentose sugar to form nucleic acid, combines with phosphoric acid to form the nucleotide, and when it polymerized, that is nucleic acid. Is it clear? So step 1 will focus on the nitrogen base and the pentose sugar, that is your nucleoside structure. Next part will focus on nucleoside. Step 1 is my nucleoside. Nucleoside structure. Assemblage of the first and second component. It is the association or the combination of nitrogen base and pentose sugar C5 sugar. C5 sugar माने कौन? It may be ribose, it may be deoxyribose. Ribose जदि जुड़ी जाए it will form RNA. Deoxyribose जदि associate हो गला it will form DNA. So it is nucleoside. कोड बॉन्ड हम कहाँ भितर बॉन्ड हम पेंटोज सुगर वर्सेस नाइट्रोजन बेस दिस इज पेंटोज सुगर OH H for example I am making DNA for you. This is what a pentose sugar CO5 sugar. Okay, so nomenclature part clear? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now to this pentose sugar, to this C5 sugar, I am writing here C5 for pentose. This sugar is a pentose sugar. Okay, so this sugar ta kutte kya hame solidify kar daba for better visualization. Let me make another color for you. Which color let me choose? See, this is the pentose sugar. Clear? Now to this pentose sugar, the nitrogen base may be purines, may be pyrimidines are attached to the first carbon atom. So in this pentose sugar, ribose sugar, the first carbon atom is booked for nitrogen base. Here, the first carbon atom, it is booked for, reserved for nitrogen base. The first carbon atom of the sugar now booked. ये carbon atom राव के हाथ मारी पाइले. It is now booked for nitrogen base. सेटा purine नहीं पारे, pyrimidine नहीं पारे. जो this the purine base है, then it is connected to the 9th nitrogen. Pyrimidine is the first nitrogen. Here the C1 of the sugar is connected to the N9 of purine, and the C1 of pentose sugar is connected to the N1 of pyrimidine. ठीक अछि तो एटी बुक हो प्यूरिन पाई बा पेरिमिडिन पाई सो नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें देखिबा केमति का बॉन्डिंग होची व्हिच बॉन्ड विल जॉइन दिस टू को बॉन्ड एटी एसोसिएशन होची इन बिटवीन द पेंटोज शुगर एंड द नाइट्रोजन बेस द बॉन्ड इज बीटा आयन ग्लाइकोसाइडिक बॉन्ड केमति का फॉर्मेशन होची कोन होची नेक्स्ट क्लास रे हमें डिटेल्स डिस्कशन करिबा ओके सो तुम जी जहाँ आज पढ़ाला डायग्राम गुड़ाक भल से प्रैक्टिस करो कंपोनेंट्स गुड़ाक ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट्स यू गेट क्लियर okay we will continue in the next class from nucleoside how a nucleoside is formed and how the beta n glycosidic bond is formed okay thank you so much